We'll begin by looking at West Elementary. This is the new parking lot located to the north of the building. This parking lot will be used for teacher parking as well as before and after school pickup of the Tiger Care children. You are now looking at the new addition to West Elementary. This addition will house 6 classrooms. This addition will also double as the weather-safe facility in the case of extreme weather. The new construction is designed to look very similar to the rest of the building. What makes this construction different is the way that it's built. By using offsetting seams tied together with rebar, the walls become one single unit that will be later filled with concrete. In case of emergency, the windows will be shielded using weather-safe shutters. Next, we will look at North Elementary. North Elementary is also designed to match the layout of the existing building. You may notice the large entryways to the hallways. These entryways will be opened during extreme weather to facilitate quick entry into the weather-safe facility. Teachers may also open these doors during normal operating hours to increase the size of their classroom and improve student collaboration. Because there was less groundwork involved at North Elementary, it is further along than West. In fact, over spring break, the top cap was added. From an overhead view, you can see that the new addition will be symmetrical to the rest of the building. The district also had to add to their current water retention system at North Elementary. The Ozark School District is also creating a new water retention system at South Elementary. This new water retention facility is designed to handle any potential additional runoff created by the new addition. This is an overhead view of where that new facility will be located. South Elementary construction differs from the rest in that it's the only precast facility. The district was able to use precast construction at South because the new addition will serve only as the cafeteria. Next, we will look at the new construction at East Elementary. The slab on the right is the new entryway and office complex for East Elementary. The portion on the left, where the walls are being constructed, is a new pod with 4 additional classrooms. Ozark School District has also completed extensive dirt work at East Elementary. This work includes a new water retention facility, as well as a new driveway and entryway from Hartley. The remodel and construction work at the Ozark Junior High School has begun. Deconstruction and remodeling of the existing cafeteria and office space is well underway. Over spring break, crews were able to lay plumbing and conduit in preparation for laying the new floor. The new Ozark Junior High School parking lot went into production earlier this year. The new parking lot has allowed Ozark Junior High School to modify their parent pickup and drop-off. This modification has alleviated backups on 12th Street.